So over here, you can see that I have this particular picture right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to change around its looks easily. So to do that, you can utilize something called presets. So once the image is actually selected, over here on the left hand side, you can see that user presets is an option. So I can go ahead and then expand this out as well, but I don't have user preset. But over here, you can see that I got different presets, like let's say, for example, adaptive portrait, adaptive sky, and so forth. You can expand this and simply click right here, and what happens is that the preset will be applied. You can see that the sky becomes blue right here, just like this, and the presets get applied. You can go around onto sunrise, storm cloud, and so forth, and choose whatever you want. Like there's neon tropics, as you can see right here. So apart from that, there are many sort of presets, as you can see right here. Like there's cinematic, there's retro, there's edgy, and so forth, as you can see. And you can go ahead and choose the preset that you like right here, just like this, and click, and you can do a quick edit right here. So now if I were to go around onto before and after right here, as I compare, you can see that this is the before and this is the after, and this is done with the help of just a few clicks using presets. And that is how you can utilize presets to quickly edit out your photos inside of Adobe Photoshop Lightroom Classic. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.